Broadcasting presents Flags by Continent. Flags of Europe. Åland Islands. Albania. Andorra. Austria. Belarus. Belgium. Bosnia and Herzegovina. Bulgaria. Croatia. Cyprus. Czechia. Denmark. Estonia. Faroe Islands. Finland. France. Germany. Gibraltar. Greece. Guernsey. Hungary. Iceland. Ireland. Isle of Man. Italy. Jersey. Kosovo. Latvia. Liechtenstein. Lithuania. Luxembourg. Malta. Moldova. Monaco. Montenegro. Netherlands. North Macedonia. Norway. Poland. Portugal. Romania. Russia. San Marino. Serbia. Slovakia. Slovenia. Spain. Svalbard and Jan Mayen. Sweden. Switzerland. Turkey. Ukraine. United Kingdom. Vatican City. Now it's time to play. What's that country? What's this flag? It's Bulgaria. What is this flag? Good job! Lithuania! What's this flag? Yay, it's Albania! What country does this flag belong to? Good job, it's Kosovo! Which country flag is this? Correct, it's Liechtenstein. What's this flag? Good memorizing, it's Slovenia. I forgot what's this flag. Can you help? Oh, right, it's North Macedonia. What country does this flag belong to? Yes, it's Poland. Oh, what's this flag? Yes, it's Latvia. Now what's this flag? Yay, it's Norway. What's that flag? Oh, it's Serbia. What country flies this flag? Correct, it's Slovakia. What's this flag? Yay, it's Portugal. What's this country? Yes, it's Switzerland. What's this country? Great job, it's North Macedonia. What's this flag? Correct, it's Faroe Islands. What country flies this flag? It's Denmark. Can you tell me what flag this is? Correct, it's Kenya. What country does this flag belong to? Great memorizing, it's Eswatini. What's this flag's country? Correct, it's Liberia. Did you know that Europe is a continent located entirely in the Northern Hemisphere and mostly in the Eastern Hemisphere? It is bordered by the Arctic Ocean to the north, the Atlantic Ocean to the west, the Mediterranean Sea to the south, and Asia to the east. Europe shares the landmass of Eurasia with Asia and of Afro-Eurasia with both Asia and Africa. Europe is commonly considered to be separated from Asia by the watershed of the Ural Mountains, the Ural River, the Caspian Sea, the Greater Caucasus, the Black Sea, and the waterway of the Bosporus Strait. Remember, tell us your score in the comments below. Congratulations! You now know the flags of Europe. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.